Not gonna lie, today seems like a nice day to do some wellness, so I feel like I'm just gonna go to the chiropractor. I could use a massage, but let's just go to the chiropractor. Have them break me. Fuck. And I'm not gonna drive the Z, because that bitch is misfiring, so I'm gonna have to figure that problem out. Like, it still runs, sounds good and everything, but I don't want to chance it. I'm gonna just wait until the parts that I ordered comes in, and I'm gonna try to get it fixed later. So today, I'm gonna drive my baby over there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go so boom now and just shoot out, you see me? Make a bad spin and now forward back. And straight to the chiropractor, my dog. Yo, if you can't angle the road, you know, wanna stay home. I don't know why that brother they park this, so I swear.
Nothing don't change, your name my fight. Put me from me take it place like that. Me say your mother pussy face one stop it. Them if you watch it push it play night traffic. Me life fucking iconic, man tough and iconic. I love me like panic. Copy killer run down panic. Remember them booze who look on panic. But it's still the bunch of us and every run it. Fucking food, then we make the food and then we press. Disappear, reappear like magic. Shot me in food.
Nice customer service, bro. As me reaching, people them just want more grown and start, you know? Yeah, good customer service.
Thank you. Dr. Pepper?
I think one of our professors, I think he said it was made with like plum or something.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
They're different, so they didn't want to say like use that in the name because it sounded awful.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, it is. Plum or no plum.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Straight back on me yard, you know, my people. You know, I think like, subscribe, stay updated.